The first over, an important over.
सुनील, कितनी बार ऐसा होता है कि आप एक T10 का गेम खेल रहे हो और लास्ट ओवर आप एक ऐसे बॉलर को देते हो जिसने पूरी इनिंग्स में पहले बॉलिंग नहीं करी हो.
That could be the plan as well.
It could also be the bowler's rusty and he goes for runs.
That challenge has to be accepted.
We'll find out.
That's a contest between bat and ball again, Raman.
Well, to make the contest even, the fact is you've got a new batsman at the crease. He's the man on strike.
That's the contest between bat and ball. New bat, new ball. New batsman, new bowler. The result, dot ball.
And this is where Shafiq needs to be a little smarter. Ashwin Babu is going to try and bowl around that region outside off. But I think he's got to try and take a single, get Rajiv on strike. Oh, he's got other plans.
Finally, he did listen to you and gave strike to Rajiv.
Sunil, the way he was coming down the track, he definitely had other intentions. Had to check his shot, but now Rajiv, he's got to pull something out of the reserve battery now. He's struggling in terms of fatigue.
What I guess was Rajiv will step out and look to hit straight. That's my guess. Most of the time my guesses are wrong.
We're just about to find out. Last 4 deliveries left. Oh, he's gone for it. Has he got it enough? Yes, he's got enough on it. In the gap as well. That's 4.
Finally the collapse are there. Kerala dugout. That's because of the boundary from Rajiv.
Look at that. It's never easy to hit a shot like that because you're coming down the track. The body weight is coming forward. Yet to be able to hit it in front of square. I think what he was helped by was the fact that he had width to free his arms. That's beauty on duty.
Absolutely. We need more of these. Lambi hits from Rajiv. I'm sure he'll get another boundary there. Yes. Rajiv on a song. There are 2 balls to go. Can he get 2 boundaries or 2 sixes?
Well, if he is on song, it's a song that the Telugu Warriors don't like because it's definitely ruining their tune. Fine leg fielder was up. He knew exactly what he was doing. Really an ordinary ball because you're spraying it on the pads. You've got fine leg up, no protection at deep square. You're asking for trouble.
Raman, this is a good score, I'm saying. 82 can be here, 90 or 92 from here.
Oh, that's hit towards the heavens, but it's not got distance on it. It's going to be taken. Rajiv, who was just 1 shot away from a half century, falls for 46. And Telugu Warriors get their man.
Again, Sachin Joshi, you can't avoid him. He is again in the center stage with that catch. There's a handshake from his teammates.
Look at the change of the grip on the ball. It was a slower delivery. He held it seam up, but as he came into ball, changed the grip on the ball. Did the bowler, Ashwin Babu. Look at those faces. They tell a story, don't they? Disappointment writ large. That's because the top scorer has gone back to the heart. Rajiv gone for 46.
1 ball left in this over. Kerala strikers. Can they get boundary or a 6 to finish the innings? That's a good one. Can he get a boundary there?
Oh, they want another run here. It's got to be a run out. Doesn't matter. They were looking for an extra run there. Managed to get 2 in the end. Well, I said it before. It seemed as if 85 or thereabouts is what they'll get. They managed 84, which means a target of 85 now for the Telugu Warriors.
That's a good score. Where it was started and where they have finished, the Kerala strikers. Then again the change of pace. You know, Ashwin has used his 1 over very cleverly. Wanted a 3rd run and he got run out on the 3rd run. But nevertheless, I think this score 84 is a fighting score for Kerala strikers. If they want to win, they need to get Telugu Warriors, the opening batsman, back in that very quickly.
Absolutely spot on that, Sunil. Well, Akhil, I think still be happy that he's restricted the Kerala Strikers to 84 in their 10 overs. Look at that batting card, dominated by two players. Rajiv making 46, Arun scoring 18. And their stand really provided some impetus, some momentum to the Kerala Strikers when they were in their innings. Look at the bowling card for the Telugu Warriors. Wickets for Prince, Qayyum, Samrat and Ashwin. The most economical, of course, was Prince. But now we got Ajay Mehra down at the ground, and let's figure out who he's talking to.
I have the shining star with the bat for the Kerala Strikers, Rajiv, who made some precious runs. Rajiv, first of all, well played. But the big question is it enough?
Thank you. Considering the fact that it's such a good batting wicket, it's a fighting score. That is what I can say, in fact. Well, they have got a very good batting lineup, but keeping in mind that we have got, we accept the fact that we don't have that depth in the batting order, so we have to stay there for 10 overs, and we did give them a fighting score, in fact.
Yeah, but the wicket of Arun was a very important one because you and Arun were having a good partnership at that stage.
Arun Bani on the other side, it takes the pressure away, in fact. He's such a good striker of the ball. Once he starts middling the ball, it's so easy to find runs. So that eventually takes the pressure away from me, and he will let me score freely. But once such Arun got out, yeah, the pressure again mounted, and there were some crucial overs where a lot of dot balls were there. I think that was very crucial.
Being the final, some pressure also, because if you take early wickets, you never know.
Exactly. Cricket is a Gary's game, in fact. In fact, if God's grace, we can actually get some early wickets and put pressure on them. And God willing, we'll win the match. Thank you.
All the best and best wishes for the final.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's back to the comms out there.
Thank you so much, Ajay. Well, they're definitely aiming for the moon. The Kerala Strikers hoping to win their first title of CCL in the T10 Blast. Target of 85 for the Telugu Warriors. Not a very stiff target, but we've seen low-scoring matches turn out to be very exciting indeed. The asking rate will be 8.5 runs per over. When the Telugu Warriors come out, will they catch that target? We'll find out. For the moment, time for the Carbon Kamal catch.
Once again, I've got Rajiv with me. Rajiv, you're a big striker of a cricket ball. Now you need to do some, give some catches to these three men.
Definitely.
Okay, let's go for the Carbon Kamal catch. It's all in readiness. Rajiv, the man who really played well, he's got to do something different now. The first catch, that's gone over the shoulder. Some time to retrieve the ball. That's exactly what I was mentioning, Rajiv. You can hit some big shots. Got a lot of power in your forearms. The next one. Oh, will he take it? Yes, he does. That's a good one. Oh, once again, that power is showing, Rajiv. That power is showing. Thanks for that, Rajiv. And all the best for the finals as well.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's back to the comms out there.
I'll tell you what, he's so used to hitting those big sixes. It's becoming quite a challenge for the Carbon Kamal catch to be taken. Now, the target for the Telugu Warriors, 85 to get in 10 overs to make it a hat-trick of titles. Or will Kerala Strikers pull the rug under the champions' feet? We'll find out. We'll slip into a short break.